What happened to Kraken crypto? This is a question that a lot of people have been asking lately. And for good reason. Kraken is one of the largest and most well-respected cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. But in recent months, the company has been facing a number of challenges. In this video, we're going to take a look at what happened to Kraken crypto and what it means for the future of the cryptocurrency market. Kraken was founded in 2011 by Jesse Powell. The company is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Kraken is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, with over 6 million users. In recent months, Kraken has been facing a number of challenges. In September 2021, the company was fined $1.25 million by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, for failing to properly register as a derivatives exchange. In October 2021, Kraken was sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for allegedly offering unregistered securities. In November 2021, Kraken announced that it would be laying off 1,100 employees. The company also announced that it would be closing its offices in Japan and the United Kingdom. What happened to Kraken crypto? There are a number of theories about what happened to Kraken crypto. Some people believe that the company was simply overwhelmed by the growth of the cryptocurrency market. Others believe that the company was deliberately targeted by regulators. It is difficult to say for sure what happened to Kraken crypto. However, it is clear that the company is facing a number of challenges. What does this mean for the future of the cryptocurrency market? It is difficult to say for sure what the future of the cryptocurrency market holds. However, it is clear that the Kraken incident has raised concerns about the safety and security of cryptocurrency exchanges. It is important to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. In this video, we have taken a look at what happened to Kraken crypto. We have also discussed the potential implications of this incident for the future of the cryptocurrency market. I would like to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos on cryptocurrency. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. What is Kraken? https://www.kraken.com/and-us. What happened to Kraken crypto? Invalid URL removed. What does the future hold for the cryptocurrency market? Invalid URL removed. If you have any questions about what happened to Kraken crypto, please leave a comment below. I would be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching.